is made his
Baba Uzun choice this place that I will rest here. This Baba, as you have seen the gate there, when you have came inside, the biggest gate there.
yes.
Baba Uzur was standing there when Baba Uzur was not veiled from this world. And Baba Uzur ordered Raja Raghuji Bose and the driver Hiralal Kochwan that I will rest here. My fragrance comes from this place. So after I'll do the wheel from this world to make my grave here. So that's why this place has been himself chosen by Baba Uzur.
Was the asylum was
Asylum.
locked in asylum. Where is that asylum now? Location.
It's in Sadar. One place is there, Sadar Chowni. There it is located.
There are other places.
There are also places like Waki Sharif is also there. Khamti is also there. And Kabul Kandar. It's on the mountain. You can go not easily, but it's scary to go there because it's a jungle. That's why if you want to go there, you can.
It's okay.
If you want to see, you can see. There, Chilla Mubarak has been made there in the remembrance of Baba Huzur.
Sure. We call Baba Huzur.
We say Baba Huzur, he is our master. Baba Huzur means the father. He is our spiritual father, you can say.
Yes.
Spiritual master, so we just call him Baba Huzur.
I'm specifically a devotee of Meher Baba, and
Meher Baba is also blessed from Baba Huzur.
Yes.
If you have learned, Baba Huzur only given him the blessing and Vilaya, you say in the evening, Baba Huzur only will bless. So this is not your will that you are standing here. This is the Baba Huzur will. And
Yeah.
Baba Huzur has invited you here. That's why you are blessed and you are standing in this shrine.
I asked, and they said the Hindus come here as well.
Hindu, Muslim, Sikh is a kitchen. And one thing I have to tell you that have you seen that flag hosted by Raja Raghujira Bhosle, descendant of Shivaji Maharaj, as you heard. He's a grandson. Every year he come here and by his hand only the flag has been hosted. My door is always open for you. And so many 54 Khuddagins are here. 54 families are here of Khudda. Those are take care of Mazar. The seed the driver of Baba Huzur, Hiralal Kochwan, sit there. And yeah, the horse. And he ride all over the city. This ride also has so many miracles. Like Baba Huzur ordered Hiralal Kochwan that don't beat horse so that the animal should not hurt. So Baba Huzur ordered him that let horse go wherever he wants to. So whenever Baba Huzur wish, the horse automatically go there.
Yeah.
When Baba Huzur ordered Hiralal Kochwan, Kabul Kandar. So if he is standing over Choda Taj Bagno, within a second, he reach Kabul Kandar with the spiritual power of Baba Huzur. That's what give you a book also. I'll forward you the PDF of Baba Huzur miracles and Baba Huzur family. So you have to look after that and you will get to know. And this one is a family tree. Baba Huzur, Tamil Vilaya. Spiritual power so that they have also done many miracles with and the Master Baba and this is Tarun Baba.
The mother of Pakistan.
No, not a mother of Pakistan. Means what Baba Huzur just call her Pakistani Amma.
Ah, I see. So why don't they let women to go inside?
There is a restriction according to Sunni Hanafi Tariqa. Men are not allowed to go in the graveyard also.
I see.
So that's why
I
the
see.
Sufis there is some restrictions on the Sufis. If you go Ajmer, there it is allowed.
Yeah.
Here it is not allowed because our elders didn't allow them.
Nice.
Because if you see so much of crowd is there in the Dargah, man and woman there is no
Yes.
difference and for that reason the women have the different place to visit
Yeah.
and the men have the different place.
But if he's not doing it, they're gonna just
Yeah,
kill me. It's
Oh.
not like I have done anything,
yeah.
and it's not like it's gonna happen. But it's not because I have a small children. I don't risk it.
How many children you have?
I have to.
Just married one or two, three, four?
Who?
You.
No.
One
God is
wife.
one, and
So
if
wife
you,
is one.
if you marry, it should be one.
How was your experience after visiting Baba's shrine?
It was very similar to the experience I had in Imam Riza's shrine,
Yeah.
and also at Hazrat Babajan's place,
Yeah.
and also Narayan Maharaj, because again,
And it's like in Iran, Imam Rizal Islam Shrine is a heaven.
Yeah.
Like in India, for us, Baba Vishwara is a heaven.
Yes. Yes.
That's the
Very
same
similar.
experience, yeah.
Yeah.